Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking accounts so Xbox can surface Discord events. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Connections, and add your Microsoft/Xbox account. Sign in when prompted. Once you authorize, Discord will show Xbox as a connected service. On your Xbox console, make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account. This is the bridge. If accounts mismatch, notifications won't route. After linking, move on to Permissions and Notification Preferences, so Xbox and your phone both can receive alerts. Now configure where and how you get alerts. In Discord, enable push notifications and background app refresh so messages and mentions trigger push. On Xbox, open Settings, navigate to Privacy and Online Safety, and allow messaging, party invites, and communications. This permits Discord-originated events to appear. Also enable console notifications under Preferences so banners and sounds show up while gaming. Once set, test with a friend, sending a mention or invite. This confirms both the app and console are permitted to notify you in real time. Finish by testing notifications. Ask a friend to mention you or send a Discord party invite and watch for banner, sound, or phone push. If you don't see anything, relink Discord and Microsoft accounts, update both apps, and reboot the Xbox and your phone. Many issues clear after a restart. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus Assist is off on all devices, verify notification permissions, and confirm Xbox network status. If problems persist, sign out and back into Discord, or reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.